Peace friends, welcome back to Plants on High. I am Cam and I create holistic lifestyle content, and today I have a Thrive Market grocery haul to share with y'all. Well, just like a haul in general, because I got some other non-grocery items as well. But yes, we're going to be doing a Thrive Market haul, and I'm so excited. I love Thrive Market. I've been using Thrive Market for several years. This video is not sponsored, but I do have a code below if you're interested in getting $40 off your first order with Thrive Market. So be sure to check the description box for all those details and other goodness as well below. So now let's get started. Let go. All right, so we've already opened the box, and the first thing that was in the box was this 12 ties organic kelp snack. So this is like a free gift that Thrive Market provided. So most days when you order a box on Thrive Market, they will include a free gift for us. And so with this box, I got this kelp snack, and we've already had them, but we're gonna do another little taste test on camera. Now, when I had it before, I had it with like some guacamole that I had made. So yeah, of course it was hitting in, but we're gonna taste it just like this. Okay, so the immediate flavor that I get is the sea salt. So it's definitely like a good alternative for like a regular snack and chip. For somebody like me, I love chips. That's like my salty treat, and I haven't been eating potato chips for several months now. Yeah, and so it's good to know that I have an option out there, you know, like this kelp chip to have to snack on when I'm feeling, you know, like I want a little bit of salt in my life. So this would definitely be an alternative for me and my family, as far as like a salty treat. Instead of having chips, we can have these kelp chips. My daughter, like I said before, she loves popcorn, so she'll probably be having her popcorn, but she will likely dive into these as well. So yes, overall, this chip is delicious and it is a great healthy snack. For about 18 chips, you get like 100 calories. So yeah, it's not bad. But yeah, this chip is good though. And like I said, it's good with the guacamole dip that I made too. So yeah, try this out. I'm sure they probably have it at like Whole Foods as well, and some other places, but Thrive Market has those, and they included those as a free item as well. So yeah, make sure y'all order something from Thrive Market, and you also get a free gift with my link as well. Like I said, some days they don't offer a free gift, but with my link below, you will get a free gift. So make sure you check that out. And I'm just gonna share with y'all the packaging. I love the packaging. So here's the box. I just love the packaging. So the contents of the package, this right here, it is 100% recyclable. So, you know, we love that. It's also shipped in carbon neutral box, so packaging. So yeah, that is good news. So the first item, I haven't really been buying agave much. I've really been buying honey, but agave is just necessary for certain recipes. Like when I want to add a sweetener to a recipe or something, like my curry or something like that, chickpea curry, I like to add agave as a sweetener. So I definitely had to pick up this huge bottle of raw agave. So I got that. Then I haven't bought this in a while either. So when I saw it, I was like, you know what? Yes, I need some of that. This is the Nutritional Yeast here. This is the Thrive Market brand Nutritional Yeast Flakes. So I'm excited to use this. This pretty much goes on everything and anything. And it also gives certain dishes like a cheesy flavor as well. So yes, here we go. Nutritional Yeast. Then I got 3 bags of garbanzo beans, organic garbanzo beans. These are the raw beans, so I'll be soaking them and preparing them and all that stuff myself, because we go through as far as like buying canned garbanzo beans, we go through like at least 10 cans of garbanzo, at least, like this is the minimum, 10 cans of garbanzo beans in a week. So yeah, it's definitely time for me to just go ahead and start buying them dry and soaking them myself to save some coins. So yeah, I got 3 bags of these. This is a 14-ounce bag. So I got 3 14-ounce bags of garbanzo beans. Yep, I'll be soaking these and everything and preparing them myself. And I use garbanzo beans for like most meals. Like every day we're eating garbanzo beans, whether it's like the chickpea salad wrap, whether it's the chickpea salad on avocado toast. That's how I like to have it too. Then I make like chickpea curry, or I just add chickpeas in anything that I'm making pretty much. Like when I'm just trying to figure out like a quick dish to make, I just throw some vegetables, some onion, bell peppers, mushroom, kale, and saute it on the stove top, throw in some chickpeas, add whatever seasoning I want. It can be curry, it can be like more of a cinnamon and cardamom type spice flavor that I'm going for, whatever. But I add chickpeas in pretty much everything. Even salads, I add chickpeas in salads. So we are using chickpeas in every way possible. Yes, y'all get on the chickpea train for real. And then I also got 2 pouches of the already prepared chickpeas as well, or garbanzo beans as well. So these are organic, already ready to go pouches of garbanzo beans. So when I'm looking for something quick and I'm not, or I don't feel like go ahead and, you know, making like a whole batch of the chickpeas myself from raw to finish, I can just grab a pouch and throw them in whatever I need. So yeah, these are ready to go pouches on hand, ready. Then I got some organic black rice. And so I haven't been having rice as of lately. I've been really just only having quinoa, but I want to like switch it up, you know, switch it up and have some rice. And I thought, instead of going for white rice, which I don't really buy anyway, or brown rice, instead of going for brown rice, which is what I usually buy, I'm gonna try some black rice. Let's go for the black rice. And so got this for us to make. I don't really make black rice often, but I imagine the cook time is very similar to brown rice. So yeah, so I typically cook my brown rice for 30 minutes at a boil with the lid halfway off, and it gets it just right every time. So this 35 to 40 minutes, yeah, or until absorbed. So it's about the same time as brown rice. So got that. That'll just be a base for whatever I'm making. So if I'm having veggies over, you know, some black rice, boom, chickpeas over some chana masala or something like that. Ooh, I should make a chana masala. It's been a while since I made a chana masala. Because I love Indian food. I love Indian food. Yeah, I should do a chana masala because those flavors with the ginger and the garlic and the chili and the cilantro, and ooh, yeah, I should make a chana masala, y'all. Yes, I'm gonna make that next week probably because I'm thinking about it and it just sounds so delicious. Then I got they wrapped everything up. Then I got this Sesame Tahini here. I think I've only bought tahini one time in my entire life, and not again. And so there are so many ways to use tahini, and so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and get some tahini so I can start back incorporating tahini in my dishes. Most times I think I'll probably make like a sauce. Yeah, probably like a sauce using tahini, like a salad dressing or something like that. Yeah. Yep, because that's the only thing I think I used to do in the past is like make like dressings or whatever with tahini. Like tahini, some soy sauce, or coconut aminos with some agave and like juice of a lemon or something like that. And boom, salad dressing. So yeah, that's probably what that'll be for. And then y'all, I got these huge, doesn't look huge right here, but it's huge for what it is. Got this huge container of Manuka honey. This is the honey that we pretty much buy regularly, and so on Thrive Market, you know, things are a little bit cheaper than what you would find in Whole Foods. So I had to make sure I got some. And I also had like a coupon for like 50% off from Thrive Market. And so that's why I got like a lot of the items that may cost a little more, or that may be on the more expensive side, or things that I buy frequently, like the chickpeas. I went ahead and got those items with that 50% off because yeah, it just made so much sense. So yeah, I got this huge container of Manuka honey. This is 1.1 pounds of Manuka honey, 17.6 ounces. And I think the other container is like maybe like 10 ounces or 12 or something like that. So yeah, I got this one. This one will last us a while. And we just bought the other one this week from Whole Foods, and it was like $25.99. This big container is like $33, but I got it, of course, for like what, $16.50. Yeah, for like $16.50. This big thing. So yeah, had to grab that. Definitely a clutch item. And then the last two items that I got, they're like non-kitchen related. Well, they could be, one of them could be, but more so just, you know, hygiene, things like that. So this is my all-time favorite soap, Dr. Bronner's. I've been using Dr. Bronner's for many years. Since before I even had my daughter, I've been using Dr. Bronner's. So Dr. Bronner's soap can be used for so many things. Washing your clothes, washing your hair, washing your body, washing your face, washing the dishes, literally everything, washing the floors, like everything. So got Dr. Bronner's soap. This is gonna be for the bathroom though. It's gonna be for showers and things like that. But yeah, this is the soap that we are using here. And this is the, what, citrus? Yeah, this is the Hemp and Citrus scent here, and it smells so good. Hold on. Guess y'all don't believe me. Yeah, watch my reaction. Oh, yeah, that smells so good. It smells so good. Oh, I can put it on my body. Like, can't wait. I can't wait to use that. Honestly, I'm gonna use that tonight. Even though I got some black soap still, I'm gonna use that tonight. And then, y'all, my favorite oil. Yes, my favorite body oil. Almond oil. This is my favorite oil, almond oil. A lot of people like wonder, they're like, your skin is just so soft. My skin is very soft. It's very soft. But this is partially why. This good moisturizer right here. Sweet almond oil, nourishing, promotes healthy looking skin. Exactly what it does. I use it for my body, yeah, I use it for my face as well. So I always use oil on my face. It's how I hydrate and moisturize my face. So yes, this is the oil that I use. My skin be looking, as of lately it hadn't been looking, but it's back in stock, so it's gonna be looking, you know. So I'm ready for skin in need of clean, natural nourishment as a moisturizer or for massage. So it can be used for massage as well. So if you know you're doing some massages or whatever, you know, loved ones, you know, giving to a massage, y'all can use almond oil. Have your skin feeling good and soft. So yeah, this was definitely a necessary thing on my list. And I would typically go to Sprouts and get like the little smaller bottle, but like I said, I had a 50% off coupon, so it's like, yeah, let me go ahead and get this now from Thrive because I need it. It's necessary and I'm saving money, so why not? So that is the haul. That is the haul. Yes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, Thrive Market is pretty much a place where you can buy healthy, organic items, household items, lifestyle items at a discounted rate. So if you were to go to like Whole Foods or something, you'll be paying like the Whole Foods price. If you shop on Thrive Market, you will get it at a little bit of a discounted rate, so it'll be a little bit cheaper. And it's like, I think the membership is like $40 a year, but you get free shipping on orders that are over $49 as well. Like I said, I'll include a link to a 40% off or $40 off. They switch it up, so it could be either or, 40% off or $40 off your first order, along with a free gift. Make sure y'all check out Thrive Market. They have so many items on there now, as far as like when I first got my Thrive Market membership. When they first started, they didn't have like where you could order wine and meat and a whole bunch of other things that you can now order. But now they have, it's like a full-on store. Like, it's just a full-on health food store for everything that you need, from shaving items, deodorant, your toothpaste, your household cleaning items, even like baby items as well. So they got a lot of items on there, and you can also filter out the items that you're looking for by your needs. So if you are gluten-free, you can pick gluten-free and it'll filter it out. It'll filter all of the options for you so that you can see only gluten-free items. Or if you are looking for plant-based, keto, whatever, it does that for you. If you want only biodegradable things, or if you want strictly sustainable things, they have that option as well. So you just gotta kind of look at the filters and see what you need, and you can filter things out that way. It makes it so simple for you to shop and everything. So make sure y'all check out Thrive Market. And like I said, this video is not sponsored, but I just like Thrive Market so much that, you know, I just want to share with y'all, and also give y'all, you know, that discount as well, so that you can, you know, have that access on your very first order while you check them out and see if you want to stay with them, or if you want to go about your way and keep shopping at Whole Foods at full price. So yeah, again, I thank you all so much for being here. You are truly appreciated, and make sure you check out my website. Check out the website, y'all. We got a lot of stuff coming for you guys, and I hope y'all I'm looking forward to it. I hope y'all are looking forward to it. But you are still able to check out the website right now. It's plantsonhigh.com. I'll put it right here on the screen for you, plantsonhigh.com. I also include it in the description box below. Also, be sure to subscribe to the newsletter if you have not already. I send like weekly tips every single week, along with some other things, some offers, some discounts and things like that. So yeah, y'all check out the website and subscribe to the newsletter. Again, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace, friends.